Hi, I'm Shannon Seaver, and today we're looking at Venn diagrams and set operations with 3 sets. So far, we have looked at operations with 2 sets, and we're adding another set to it. Our agenda for today is to perform operations with 3 sets, use Venn diagrams with 3 sets, and to use the Venn diagrams to prove equality of sets. First of all, I want to look at this set. This universal set has numbers 1 through 9 in it, A 1 through 5, B 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, and C 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. We want to find the following. A union B intersects C. So the first thing we need to do on this one is work from inside the parentheses. So we want to find B intersects C. That is anything that's in common between B and C. So we see here we have 2, 3 in common, and 6. Now that we have B intersects C, we want to have that union with A, which happens to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remember, when we have a union, we're putting everything in both sets into a pocket, so to speak. This looks like a pocket. So here now, I'm not going to repeat anything. So we have 1, 2 is repeated. I'm just going to list it once. 3 also repeated. 4, 5, and 6. For part B, we will do the same thing. We need to work from inside the parentheses first. So let's find A union B. So A union B will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. And that's going to be intersected with A union C. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then anything that's in C that A doesn't have, which is 6 and 7. Okay, so now our job is to find out what these 2 sets have in common, because we have an intersect, or as I've said to you guys before, it's a bridge. What do they have in common? So they both have a 1, they both have a 2, a 3, 4, 5, and they both have a 6. So that would be the answer on that one. The last one we have on this slide is A union C naught and A intersecting that. So before I can even do the inside of the parentheses, I need to find out what C naught is. So let's do that up here. C naught will be anything that is not in C that's in the universe. So we're missing a 1, we're missing a 5, and we are missing an 8 and a 9. So A union C naught will be putting both of these together in the same pocket. So we know that we have 1 through 5 already in set A. Should be a 2, 3, 4, 5, and then whatever set C doesn't have that. Whatever set C has that A doesn't. So now we need to find out what in set A intersects with this. So I'm just going to copy set A here. And notice that 1 through 5 is in both sets. So that will be the answer. Now I want you to try this, pause the video, and then check to see if your answers are correct. Hopefully this is what you got. Take a moment to check your work with this and see if you got the same answers. Now we want to look at a Venn diagram with 3 sets, and we're wanting to figure out what is in the following sets on the side here. So first one we're going to look at is C not. What is not in C? Notice that everything that is in C is inside the circle. So anything outside of the C circle would be in this set. So that includes anything outside of that circle. So that'll be 11, 3, 12, 1, 2, 10, and 4. For the A, that's everything inside of this circle. So that'll be 11, 3, 12, 5, 6, and 7. And now let's look at A union B. So that's going to include everything inside of A and inside of B. So that will be 11, 3, 12, 1, 2, 10, 9, 7, 5, and 6. This one is B intersects C. So we're looking at only this section that is between B and C, which is these two, right? This section right here, it looks like a football. So that'll be 5, 7, and 9. And then the last set. We'll have A intersect B intersect C. That happens to be right here in this section, in the very middle of the Venn diagram. So that will be 5 and 7. That's everything that all 3 sets have in common. So now it's your turn. Just pause the video and try it yourself. Take a moment and check your work. That's going to be the end of this video. There's going to be a part 2 to this section. Watch that video for that.